Looking for the perfect fan to keep you cool and comfortable while offering smart features and silent operation? We've got the top 5 smart fans for you. From modern designs to advanced control options, these fans are more than just cool, they're essential. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and updates. First up, the Dreo Pedestal fan with smart control. This 43-inch modern floor fan combines smart technology with powerful cooling. It features 150 degrees horizontal and 120 degrees vertical oscillation, ensuring even air circulation throughout your space. Whether you're in a dorm room, bedroom, or living room, this fan has you covered. With 9 different speeds and 6 modes including turbo, natural breeze, and sleep mode, you can adjust the airflow to your exact needs. The DC motor increases wind volume by 66% while keeping noise down to a whisper like 25 decibels, so it's perfect for light sleepers. Enjoy hands-free control with Wi-Fi, Alexa, and voice control through the Dreo app, or use the 12-hour timer to set it up for effortless cooling throughout the night. This fan also reaches an impressive 110 feet, ensuring every corner of your room is cooled. Next, we have the Vornado 660 Air Circulator. It uses Vornado's signature vortex action to move air more effectively than traditional fans, circulating air up to 100 feet. With 4-speed push-button controls located on the top, it's incredibly easy to adjust, and the Alexa compatibility means you can control the fan using voice commands or the Alexa app from anywhere in your home. The deep-pitched blades combined with the spiral grille and unclosed air duct allow this fan to deliver optimum performance while maintaining a compact size. Adjust the tilt angle and use the chrome glide bar to direct airflow wherever it's needed most. This fan is powerful yet quiet, making it an ideal choice for bedrooms, home offices, or even kitchens. For those seeking a smaller tabletop option without sacrificing performance, the Dreo 16-inch Quiet Smart Fan is an excellent choice. It features 9 speeds and 6 modes, including normal, turbo, sleep, and customizable modes, all tailored to your cooling needs. With 120 degrees vertical and 120 degrees horizontal oscillation, this fan ensures total room coverage. Powered by Dreo Turbosalent X technology, it moves air up to 110 feet while maintaining a quiet 25 decibels operation, perfect for bedrooms or home offices. This fan is also Alexa and Google Assistant enabled, allowing you to control it with your voice or through the Dreo app. The sleek design, combined with a 12-hour timer and a detachable grill for easy cleaning, makes it highly convenient for everyday use. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful fan, the AIRMATE Air Circulator Fan is a great option. It features 10 adjustable speeds and can rotate 120 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically, making it perfect for smaller spaces like dorm rooms, bedrooms, or offices. Despite its compact design, this fan is built for performance. It's equipped with an aerodynamic turbo design that maximizes air movement, allowing it to circulate air up to 22 feet. The fan is ultra quiet too, operating at just 30 decibels on lower settings, so it won't disturb your work or sleep. The fan's modern silhouette fits into any decor, and it comes with a remote control for easy adjustments. It also includes a 12-hour timer, making it perfect for keeping your air fresh day or night. Finally, we have the Vornado 133 DC Energy Smart Compact Air Circulator Fan. This sleek, white tabletop fan is small but powerful, using Vornado's signature vortex action to circulate air throughout your room. It's energy efficient, using up to 80% less power with its DC motor, and features variable speed control plus an adjustable tilt head for precise airflow. Quiet, compact, and perfect for bedrooms, offices, or dorms, it's backed by a 5-year warranty. If you're looking for a reliable, energy-saving fan, the Vornado 133 DC is a great pick. These smart fans offer more than just cooling. They bring convenience, style, and advanced control right into your home. Choose the one that fits your needs and stay cool effortlessly.